Mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ya gĩthomo rũhonge-inĩ rwa gĩthomo kĩa mũthingi kana basic education nĩeranĩire rĩrĩa maumĩrĩra ma kĩgeranio gĩa KJSEA makarekererio.
Our plan is that we release the results for KJSEA on the 11th, and within 1 week after that we do our placement, after which we expect them to get their letters before Christmas, and we expect them to report on the 12th of January.
Kũringana na arũgamĩrĩri a gĩthomo, gũtanyĩtwo arutwo othe arĩa marekire kĩgerio gĩkĩ kũiyũkia mĩeke ya macukuru ma igũrũ kana senior school, kũrĩa megũkorwo mamũkĩrĩte marũa ma gwĩtwo cukuru gũgĩkinyĩria nĩ mũthia wa mwaka ũyũ.
We have 1.1 million of them, and we have 2.4 million spaces in senior school. So everybody will get a chance to move to the senior school. We have a very robust system. We have categorized our schools as cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3, cluster 4. We have 3 pathways for all the learners, that is STEM, social sciences, and arts and sports. And everything is, our teams are working.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo, PS nĩahete aciari mwĩhoko wa kwaga kũrĩha bithi makĩria, akĩhinyĩrĩria atĩ thirikari ndĩrĩ ĩragarũra mũbango wayo wa gĩthomo gĩtarĩ marĩhi.
The policy on free education is still in place. The government has not changed the policy on free education. All our learners will continue enjoying free primary education, free day secondary education, and the policy has not changed. Let me make that very, very clear. We are still offering free, and there's no change in fees whatsoever. And if there will be any change in fees, which the government will announce. But so far, there's no change in fees. So let me make that very clear so that everybody is on the same page on this.
Kũringana na PS Bitok nĩ atĩ kwanjĩrĩria mwaka ũkĩte thirikari nĩ ĩkũrekereria kĩgĩna kĩrĩa ĩgayagĩra arutwo ĩtegũcerithĩria, kuona nĩ megũkorwo marĩkia gũthũrima namba ya arutwo na macukuru marĩa magayagĩrwo kĩgĩna gĩkĩ nĩ ministry.
Exercise to confirm how many learners we have, to confirm how many schools we have in the country, and this will help us to release capitation on time. Starting 2026 and working very closely with Treasury, we shall be releasing our capitation on time. So I want to assure all our schools, all our stakeholders, all our learners that capitation going forward, after we have done verification and we know the numbers, we know the accurate numbers, will be released on time.
Bitok kwaragia hĩndĩ ya kũhingũra na kũnyabara ũnyagia wa igeranio wabici-inĩ cia mũnini wa commissioner wa Kikuyu. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Kikuyu kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.